Hello, welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here. Today, as promised, we are making veggie nachos. Now these just aren't, your run-of-the-mill nachos. We are adding tons of veggies. We're using 2 different kinds of cheese, so believe me, they're gonna be cheesy and delicious, but they're gonna be only 300 calories per serving, and you're gonna get a pretty good stack of nachos loaded with protein, loaded with veggies, loaded with flavor. So let's get these cooking. Corn tortillas, and we're gonna go ahead and slice them into wedges. We're gonna broil them in the oven. We're gonna make them nice and crispy. So let's get those going really quick. This is our beautiful stack of homemade tortilla chips. All done. Let's get our veggies ready. We need 1 cup of chopped onion. Our zucchini. Garlic. Fresh corn on the cob. Okay, you can use a jalapeño, or today I'm going to use a fresh Anaheim pepper out of our garden. So teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, we've chopped and prepped most of our ingredients that are going to go on top of the nachos. We have a couple other fresh ones we're going to add on later, and of course our cheese is coming. But we are going to go ahead and saute our veggies and everything. We want them to soften up. We want to cook them a little bit. We don't want them raw on top of this. So let's saute all the veggies we just prepared really quick. And then we're going to prep our 2 cheeses. We have a Mexican blend cheese we're going to use, as well as Cotija cheese we're going to use. So we're going to blend those together. So let's get these going quick while we're here and we're working through these nachos that we're going to sit down and gorge ourselves on. Please subscribe down below. Give me some likes. Give me some comments. I love you all. Thank you so much for being here. I'm really hungry, so let's get these nachos done. We're going to saute these for about 5 minutes. 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, only 30 seconds on that garlic. You don't want it to burn, so here comes zucchini. Corn. our Anaheim pepper, our seasoning. We're going to saute this for about 5 minutes. Okay, now a can of rinsed and drained black beans. Isn't that beautiful? 2 minutes here just to warm them up. And here are our warm veggies. Okay, our Cotija cheese. We're just gonna crumble it. So yummy. Okay, we have our cheeses done. Our main set of veggies are done, and you thought we were done with veggies, and we're not even close yet. So we still have our tomato that we're gonna put fresh on top, our avocado we're gonna put on top, we're gonna put some cilantro on top as well, and these are so packed with everything. Mile high nachos. The secret to slicing a tomato is a sharp knife. We're gonna get our avocado ready. I'm gonna leave it in its skins until I'm ready to pull it out. So slice into a grid. Fresh cilantro. Okay, let's assemble our nachos. Little cheese. Okay, we're gonna broil this for 1 minute. Okay, all melted. We're gonna add our veggies. Our Cotija cheese. Our fresh tomato. Fresh avocado. Some fresh cilantro. Fresh Mile High nachos. All veggie, a lot of cheese. And there you have it, another hot bite from One Hot Bite. We have Mile High veggie nachos. So you can't feel too guilty about these. 300 calories for all of this. Let's give it a taste. I'm gonna try and pile up as much of the goodness that I can. Well, this one isn't very good. I'm gonna have to take 2 bites. That is so good. The chips have that little chew. The beans, the corn. Let's see if we can get another big bite here because I don't feel like that was enough. Here's another one, all loaded up. So good. This just keeps happening. We keep making great food. So thank you again so much for being here. These are so good. I'm gonna need like a nice cold beer to go with these because now that, oh boy, that would make these. I might have to go get me one. But anyhow, make sure you tune in on Monday because I'm making a sausage, gravy, and egg McMuffin. So that's gonna be One Hot Bite. And you know me, you know we're gonna cut corners but not cut taste. We're gonna cut the fat out of all of it, well, most of it, and it's gonna be a delicious breakfast or breakfast for dinner bite. So I will see you on Monday.